Good morning, children. Today I am going to solve few exercises of this chapter, My Sweet Home. So let us take out page number 25 in your MCB main course book. Write today's date 15/4/21. First exercise, read and understand. Exercise number A. Tick the correct option. Who says I love my home? Options are Mini, Tarun, father, Tia. Yes, correct answer is Tia. So tick in this star box. Come to the next. When does the school get over for Tia and Tarun? In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Yes, in the afternoon. So tick in this. Third, what do the children love to play with? Do you remember the story? Do they love to play with paper boards, video games, toys, football? Yes, answer is toys. Come to the next exercise, B. Write T for true and F for the false statement. First, Tia is in class 2. True or false? Yes, true. Father picks Tia and Tarun from school. Who comes to take Tia and Tarun? Yes, her mother, not father. So it is false. Tia has a sweet and happy home. True or false? Yes, it is true. Fourth, Tia does not enjoy playtime. False. She loves to enjoy playtime. Everyone in the family of Tia sits and eats together in the evening. True or false? Yes, it is true. Now come to the next grammar spotlight. Here it's a naming word. First, you understand what do you mean by noun. Noun are the names of a person, place, animal or things. In this, we are going to deal with kinds of noun, proper noun and common noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun मतलब होता क्या है? A proper noun is a name of a some particular person, place or thing. किसी particular person, place or thing. Now you can see here particular person, place or thing. Mona. Mona is a particular name of a girl. Goa. Goa is the name of a place. Rocky. Rocky is the name of an animal which is already given here in this short story. So now come to the next exercise, that is read the following sentence, circle the common names. First, to understand what do you mean by common noun. A common noun is the name that is shared in common by everything of the same class or kind. You can see here, first I am going to read the sentence and in that you have to find which is the common name. It can be a common name for a person, place, animal. Okay, now you can see here, Tia loves her school. So here, if I say, if it would be given as Tia loves her, if any name is given, her Crane School or Nazareth School, then it be a proper noun. But here it is only school. So it is common noun. She has a new toy. Toy, not specific toy name is given here. Teddy bear, or you can say any other toy which name is given. So here no name is given, so it's only toy. So it is a common noun. Nita is a sweet girl. Nita is a sweet girl. Only girl is here. Not name is given. Here name is not specified. So it is a common noun. Can you say Nita? Nita is the name, no? So it is a proper. She gave a rose to the teacher. She gave a rose to the teacher. Teacher is a common noun. Here no specific teacher name is given. Nisha miss, Nisha teacher, Almas miss, Aisha miss. No name, no specific name is given. Rose, if rose is also a common here. Why? Because no specific name is given. Now come to the next 5. She likes to play with her dog in the park. Here in the sentence, two common nouns are there. First is dog and park. Dog is a common noun and here park is also a common noun. Now come to the next B. Match the common names given in the column A with the correct special names given in the column B. So now you have to match with the common name with the special name. So boy, city, cat, doctor, toothpaste. So this all are common names. Now here you can see Delhi, Dr. Rani Sood, Sonu, Colgate, Kitty. So first boy. Boy means name, you have to name that boy. So Sonu. City, you have to name the city specified. Delhi. Cat, Kitty. Doctor, Dr. Rani Sood. Toothpaste, Colgate. Now come to the next page, page number 27. Here what you have to do it, you have to tell one and many. It means singular or plural. Singular number stands for anything one in number, in one number, okay? And plural means it stands for many. We generally add as or yes to make plural. Book, books. Chair, chairs. Bus, buses. Now you, in this exercise, you have to add as or yes to the to make plural from this form of nouns. So room, rooms. Table, tables. Picture, pictures. School, schools. Dress, dresses. Glass, glasses. Now turn over the page, page number 28. Here, gender. Naming word also tell us if a person or animal is male or female. Naming word हम लोग को क्या बताता है? Male or female बताता है. He names for the male gender and she names for the female gender. For boy we say male, girl we say female. Man, male, woman, female. Now we have to do here one exercise based on this gender form. Match the following words correctly. Father, mother, brother, sister, bull, cow, lion, lioness, son, daughter. So come to the next. Here fill in the missing letters to complete the use the words given in the help box. So you have to use this help box. It is very easy. You can do it by your own self also. Now here match the words in a column A with the words in column B which having similar meaning, synonyms. Okay, nice, good, together, with each other, happy, joyful, little, small. Now come to the next page. Here on page number 30. Here read the following sentence, number them in the correct order and write them in the given space. So you have to read this sentence first, and according to this sentence, which sentence comes first, you have to write down. So I have written here, you will see and do it. Now come to this page, page number 31. Here you have to arrange the words in the alphabetical orders and write them in the space provided. So father, doll, brother, hat. So you can see the first letter of the word here. F, D, B and H. Which letter come first in the alphabetical order? According to that you have to write down. So brother, doll, father, hat. Now here, now come to the last exercise. Put the tick against the statements that make a happy home and a cross against those that make it unhappy. So you will read this whole sentence according to that which one you feel this statement is correct and it makes you happy. So you tick in this. So do it this work nicely. And one more thing that you have to do in your copy, that is you have to write this word meaning in your copy, and I will give some question answers of this chapter. Thank you.